Welcome back. All but two categories, which a playoff will determine the winners later this month, were decided at the two-day National Age Group Chess Championships held at the National Arena in Kingston at the weekend. Denise Walters reports.
St. Jaga's Nathaniel Hope is the under-18 absolute champion, winning his category unbeaten, scoring 5.5 points from 6 rounds. Brian Thompson from Glenmuir was second on 5 points, while Jaden Forshaw of St. Jaga was third on 4 points. St. Andrew High School for girls, Kaya Gale was the best placed female with 2.5 points.
I mean, it feels amazing. I've trained hard, I've played my best, and I got a favorable result. Outside of Kingston, I don't really get to play like tournaments, so usually I will be training at home and I will be playing with my friends at school.
Glory Murphy won the under-16 female title, scoring 5.5 points, getting there ahead of Kayla Moses and Dedipaya Sunkara. Vaishna Gali, who is the under-14 absolute champion, was perfect, scoring 6 points from his 6 rounds, winning ahead of Khalil Bartlett and Nathaniel Green. The female equivalent went to Victoria Ong with 5.5 points, besting Ariana Marie Daniels and Elisha Patel. Gali has his sights set on gaining a ranking.
Feels really good actually to go abroad with the real player from Jamaica for under 14. Feels really good. International tournaments and try to tackle them and get my titles.
The unbeaten Noel Noble was perfect in landing the under 12 girls title ahead of Naya Wood and Emilia Rose Leaks.
I played a lot of chess and I followed what my coaches said. I like that it helps you to think creatively and critically.
Musem Layo won the under-10 absolute section with 5.5 points, while Rhea Gardner was faultless in winning the girls' equivalent.
When I feel happy about it, yes, I plan to go abroad and do international tournaments.
I have most of the experience in my section. It helps me because I've faced many tough opponents.
The under-8 absolute title went to Levi Gale, who was flawless, while it was a similar scenario for Elasne Porter en route to the girls' under-8 female title. Meanwhile, there will be a playoff in the under-16 absolute category following a tie between Cameron Coe 5 points and Ronald Shergill 5 points. Also, a tie between Luke Wright and Khalil Davey, both on 5 points, will also result in a playoff in the under-12 absolute section.
I'm going to play a lot of games to get more natural with my openings and study my openings for the playoffs.
I'm very happy that I got to play in the playoffs. I feel very good about it because I really want this.
It's the most important tournament for youngsters under 18. We have children playing from under 8 all the way up to under 18 to try and become the national champion of Jamaica. If they win this event, they're also the persons who will represent Jamaica on the international stage.
The presentation ceremony will be held at a later date. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
And President of the Jamaica Cricket Association, Dr. Donovan Bennett, says the current restructuring process underway is in preparation for a possible fallout from the financial issues being faced by regional governing body Cricket West Indies. The JCA last week decided to make the role of Chief Executive Officer redundant, ending the 13-year tenure of Courtney Francis. Bennett had explained that the decision was taken as part of restructuring efforts brought on by financial constraints. According to the President, who is also a director of CWI, the current financial situation at the regional board level has a direct impact on territorial boards and could result in a further tightening of the belt.
The major source of the JCA's income, that is a factor that not only I, but senior members of the board had under consideration, that we had to do this restructuring, because if CWI decides to cut the territorial board subvention, then we'd then be in significant trouble. So we were just trying to preempt the possibilities of this happening by going through the restructuring.